The quickest dinner to have, I'll show you right now. Very easy, mac and cheese and hot dogs. Cauliflower, Velveeta, a little bit of heavy whipping cream. That's it. Here we go. Welcome to Keto Transformations. This is our journey to our keto, trying to live healthy and on and off. So here we are today doing cauliflower mac and cheese. We're going to boil it, let it boil, and then we're going to stir and have some fun with it and master the mac and cheese with some hot dogs, but keto style. Welcome, keto style. Keto style. Mac and cheese, cauliflower, boil, bring it to nice and softness. It can be done. So you want to boil the cauliflower until you can start shredding it nice and soft. But more to that, show you once it's boiled. Boil. So 6 ounces of Velveeta cheese and a little bit of half and half to fill the bottom. Okay.
No, heavy cream.
Well, half and half. Heavy cream, whatever. I cheat by doing this. Breaks it into smaller pieces. A lot easier.
1 square is
Cheese sauce.
1.
Melted.
2 squares.
Just waiting.
12.4 squares.
Final outcome.
Nope.
Looks like cauliflower rice.
3.76. One more.
Drain.
6.3 squares.
And we drain, and that's what they are. Mixed cheese, cauliflower. And this is cauliflower mac and cheese.